Okay, so for this video, we're going to be practicing our letter sounds. If you know your letter sounds already, great. I'll be posting some more videos that will be helpful for you for blending sounds and sounding out words. This one is going to be for friends that still need to practice our sounds for each letter. So I'm going to go through, we're going to say the letter name together and the sound that it says. Ready? All right. A, 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 a. B, 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 b. C, k, k, k. D, 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 d. E, 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 e. F, 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 f. Good. G, 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 g. H, I, 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 I. J, 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 j. K, 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 k. L, 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 l. Good. M, mm, mm, mm. N, 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 n. O, ah, ah, ah. P, 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 p. Q, qu, qu, qu. R, 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 r. Good. S, 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 s. T, 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 t. U, a, a, a. V, 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 v. W, 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 w. X, 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 x. Y, 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 y. Z, 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 z. Good. That's all 26 letters. Parents, I want to point out, when we're doing letter sounds, our 5 vowels do make 2 sounds. So to start with, make sure that they can say the short letter sound, a, e, I, a, and After that, after they've mastered those 5 short vowel sounds, we'll move to the longer sounds, a, e, I, o, u. Also, another thing I really like to tell parents, for a lot of these letters, I grew up saying like, oh, letter R says R, or B says B. And we have the tendency to add the on the end of the letter sound, but make sure that we're not doing that. So you'll notice when I said the sound, R says R, R. Leave out the Same thing for M. I'm not saying M, I'm saying mm. So practice these with your child to make sure that they know all of their letter sounds. We are doing reading groups in class, and it's really fun to see everyone progress. The more quickly that we know our letter sounds, the faster we'll be able to move into different groups. So practice these at home, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.